Hello children, now first class mathematics additions. So in previous class 2 I will explaining the addition with examples 2 only. So now also I am saying the more examples I am showing now. So this is already completed but I will explaining again. So you revise it children. So okay. So now page number 56, open it children. Already this one completed children but I will explaining again. Okay, you revise it children. You do the addition. Okay. So now here one girl and one boy are standing. Yes. See here, there one child is having. So here in first picture, so count the beads. So here, how many beads having children here? 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. So how many beads are there here? 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads having. So here, again one bead will adding. So here adding 1 bead. So here 1 added to 3. So 3 bead to 1 bead here adding. So total how many beads having here children? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So count properly children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you understand? First of all, 3 beads only having, then adding 1. So here become 4 beads. So this 4 here, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. 4 beads only having, and again one boy will came and giving another 1 bead and adding another 1 bead. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 beads having, and here 1 bead adding. So total how many beads are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. So total how many beads are there here? 5 beads. So next one, see this picture children. So here how many beads having children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. So here in this 5 bead too, again 1 bead will adding. So 5 plus 1. So how much here? So total how many beads having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads. Total 6 beads. So here these 6 beads only here having. Again boy will came and taking another 1 bead. So here how many beads having total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. So are you understand children? Here 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. So are you understand? So in next page to see children, all of you. So now children, see here count the pictures in each box. Write their number in the small blank boxes. See here how many flowers you have. You seen children these flowers? See here how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers here. 1, 2, 2 flowers here. So add 5 flowers and 2 flowers. So total how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here and here count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how much? 7 flowers. So in previous class I will showing only Examples same like that only. This also. So here some books having children. Yes. So how many books having in this box? 1, 2. So write here 2. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 books. Add 2 books and 3 books. 2 and 3. So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. Total how many books? 5 books. So next one. Observe children here. How many balls having here? Balls only is this? Yes. Are you playing with balls? Yes or no? So how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many balls having? 6 balls. So write here 6. 6 balls. And here 1, 2 balls. 6 balls and 2 balls. So total how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next number only children. 6 after number. 7, 8. So total how many? 8 balls. So here only adding. So total 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here write 8. Next one. See what is this children? Candles. So how many candles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many candles having here? 5 candles. 5 candles. And here 1, 2. 2 candles. 5 candles and 2 candles. Add it. So much here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. So total how many candles children? 5. Here 2. 5 plus 2. They are adding add. ADD add only here given add. Add means addition. 5 plus 2, 7. So next one. Here how many? What is this children? Ducks. Are you seeing ducks? So many ducks having in this box too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks. So write here 4. Add 4 ducks and so here how many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. 4 ducks and 5 ducks. So total how many ducks having here? So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks. So here count 9 will having or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks. Total 9 ducks having. So are you observing children? So are you understand? So which like will adding? Here 5 flowers and 2 flowers. 5 plus 2 will adding means 7 will came. Here 2 books and 3 books. 2 plus 3, 5 books. Here 6 balls, 2 balls. 6 plus 2, 8 balls. Here 5 candles, 2 candles, 7 candles. So okay, all of you understand children? So I am saying, so here count. How many flowers are there? Count all of you. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So 5 plus 2 means 5 after number 2 you count, children. 5 after number 2. 6, 7 like that. Okay. You added, children. So next one also I will explaining in next class too. So are you observe, children? Additions, observe it. And take some more examples also. You do properly the additions. Here also, children, don't confuse. One bead will adding here. Added, A-D-D-E-D, added. So addition spelling, A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. Count spelling, C-O-U-N-T, count. Total, T-O-T-A-L, total. After, A-F-T-E-R, after, like that. Picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. S-M-A-L-L, small. Spellings also you learn, children. S-M-A-L-L, small. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Like that only. You learn, children. So you take more, some another examples also you take and do the additions. Okay, children.